How to change shipping method on Shein. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change shipping method on Shein. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Shein app. And then once you're in your Shein app, add the products that you want to buy to your bag. So let me add a product. Now after you have added products to your bag, then here go to your bag, tap on your bag to go to your bag. Then here tap on checkout. And then here you will see shipping method. This is standard, this is express, and this is click and collect. So select the shipping method that you want to select, tap on the shipping method. And after selecting, wait for a few seconds and then you can continue with your order. So this is how you can change shipping method on Shein. Thanks for watching.